I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a little bit of a Dollar Tree haul. You guys know I do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls here on my channel. I have a whole playlist which is going to be in the description box below. If you want to see my past ones, I've done little ones, I've done big ones, all of the above. Everything that has to do with Dollar Tree. I've done full faces, I've done ranking videos for Dollar Tree. So all of these like videos are going to be in that playlist if you want to check those out. But today we're going to be doing a little bit of a medium size haul. Makeup, nail care, and a miscellaneous product. So if you want to see what I picked up, just keep on watching. So let's start off with beauty. First off, we have this Be Pure Hydrating Lipstick. I thought this was a lip balm, I think, in the moment. But anyway, I did not need another lipstick, but yet here is another one. This is, again, a hydrating lipstick. It's infused with rose oil. And this one here is in the shade Peony Pink. I think that's like what drew me in, was the shade. So let's hope that this is good. It just says apply lipstick liberally to moisturize your lips as often as needed to keep them hydrated. Love this packaging. It's giving me like 90s vibes, like old Disney Channel, Lizzie McGuire days. There's a look at that color. It's actually a really beautiful bright pink. That is so cute. There's a look at the shade Peony Pink. Love. Cannot wait to try this out. I literally thought it was a lip balm, but even better, that's a lipstick and such a beautiful bright color. Ooh. Speaking of lipsticks, I saw these Maybelline lipsticks at my Dollar Tree. I picked up a total of 3 shades. So that's what we have. We have like a light, medium, dark kind of moment going on. I love this like holographic bag that we get here. Lipstick comes inside. So this is the Maybelline Green Edition Buttercream. I remember them coming out with this collection. I think they came out with some mascaras from the same line, right? I think so. Love the little green packaging. First off, we have the shade Lagoon, which looks so beautiful. It looks like it's going to be light from the actual like color of the top, as you can see, but it's actually darker than I thought. So let's go ahead and swatch. These are so buttery and creamy, as the name implied. There's the shade Lagoon, the shade Musk, lastly the shade Epileptic. I'm loving that each of the shades is like a dark kind of moment. I was thinking they were going to be like light, like usual, on the lighter side of things, but I love that these are more vampy shades. So I cannot wait to try these out on lips. They look stunning. So far, my favorite shade is the first one and the last one. The middle one, I don't know, it's kind of pulling red orange, but these two, girl, specifically Epileptic, stunning. This like green packaging is so cute. In the same little holographic bags, we have a couple of the Maybelline lip blush, it says. So let's get in here and see what these are. Again, I got like a light, medium, dark situation. There's a look at the packaging. Again, these are called the Maybelline Green Edition Balmy Lip Blush. Looks so cool. Okay, all right, first off we have the shade Dusk, which is right here. Next one is the shade Sunshine, which is that red tone right there. Lastly, we have the shade Midnight, which looks like so. So here's a look at the 3 shades. They're definitely mimicking the lipstick shades a bit, right? There's like a pinky tone, a like red orange, and then a like dark vampy shade. But each of these is really nice. As I was swatching them, I can tell that the formula is very fragile. So you have to be careful when you're throwing it on your lips, because it looks like it's gonna break off if you go like really hard. And also the formula itself is like very slip and slidey and moisturizing, so you don't need to like press hard on the lips. So I cannot wait to try these out and see my full thoughts. I'm going to be doing a full face of Dollar Tree soon. I'm going to be trying these out and anything else that I mentioned in today's video, but these look so nice as well, like a really good quality lip product. Moving on to nail care, I went ahead and came across the Be Pure Cuticle Oil and Nail Strengthener. So as you guys know, I love my press on nails. However, my actual nail bed is very fragile, very weak and thin. So I've been meaning to find products to use when I'm not wearing press-ons. So I thought that this was going to be, I don't know, helpful for me. It says it also is compared to Sally Hansen Vitamin E Nail and Cuticle Oil. So there's a close-up look at that. I love the packaging as well. I love that it's like small. Let's take a look at the inside, how it actually looks. There's a close-up look at that. Let's see like how it applies. Oh, okay, so it's like a little brush moment. Do you have any smell to it? Okay, Very intriguing. Cannot wait to try this out. I'll let you guys know in a empties video or in a future like ranking video or whatever, but it looks really intriguing. I also came across some more Be Pure cuticle oils. I guess like that's what they're coming out with right now. The Be Pure cuticle oil, each one has some like little stones in them, like little crystals. First off, we have the rose quartz cuticle oil, green aventurine cuticle oil, and lapis lazuli, I think is how you say it. These look really cool. So there's like no excuse that my nails will be strengthened because I bought so many of these cuticle oils, girl. This looks so cool. I think they also came out with some like lip oils that look like this too. And there's the applicator. This one does smell really nice. It's like really liquidy, so you have to be careful when you're applying it, but this looks like high quality kind of Moment. It says it's formulated with jojoba oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E. Green one, look at that. And the little stones do move in there. That's so pretty. Lastly, the rose quartz. This is so beautiful. Again, same packaging, comes with a little dropper. Moment. Let's see how this one smells. Yeah, they have like a nice fragrance to them. I'm not sure like what exactly the scent is, but it smells amazing, and these look so cool. Cannot wait to try these out on the nails. Lastly, I just went ahead and picked up another Smart Care facial tissues. So these are basically just Barbie tissues that I love to buy just to have as decor in my room. So I went ahead and bought an extra pack of this little box just in case I run out. These are so good, and it comes with 72 pieces in here. So good. So that was the last product in today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, check out the playlist, which is going to be in the description box below, or any other videos that I mentioned throughout this video. Again, I am going to be doing a full face of Dollar Tree soon, so definitely stick around and turn on your bell notification so you can be notified when I upload that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.